Okay, it's like a minute later, and I think I figured it out. So the issue was I was actually serializing the thing to JSON, which what we actually needed was a hash. So if we do, I haven't actually tested this yet, so I could end up being. That's what we needed. So we needed the, what you see right there. All right, so let's try this now. If I update this, although to be honest, I'm not sure why that didn't work. Now when we do this, it's still complaining about that because I have to reload. All right, so it's still complaining about byte size. Yeah, like it is trying to send, you can see from this code that it's trying to send. Oh, that's because, let's try this. All right, so what's the exception now? Oh, this is a legitimate error. So the invalid authenticity token, which is no problem, we just do, you have to disable. It's just like error after error. Missing template. But there shouldn't be a missing template. Here, let's try this. Now it's saying still missing template. Rails controller return text, no template. see if that works. Ah, it worked. So finally, we've got it delivering. Oh, that was so painful. I hate that. That always seems to happen when I'm doing this sort of thing. And it's because there's this broad range of stuff that I only do once in a while. And then when I go to do it, it's like, wow, I don't remember this almost at all. But the point is, we've got it working, and the response body is now success. So when you come back to this controller, it's returning success. It's doing a 200 code. Response message is being recorded. There's no error message. We also had seen that when, for example, the server is no longer there, then it records an error message and none of the response code stuff. And at this point, there's, I feel like I have, give me 1 second here. I feel like I've had the opportunity to guide the design as much as I would like to. Even implementing the actual webhook delivery and stuff was more than I had initially planned on doing, but I thought like, what the heck, I should do this every once in a while. But at this point, I can send this over for a code review from other senior developers and get them to think through, like, are there edge cases? Are there things that I'm missing here? And I can comment this, send it over to them, and then also get them to write the tests for it, which is honestly, my feeling is that the exercise of coming up with the design that's going to be good and make a lot of developers happy is more important than figuring out, okay, now how do you make this testable? That's fine. I can have somebody else do that. I don't actually enjoy that as a process in software development. And if you have other people that can help you with that, then there's no reason that you have to do it if you don't enjoy it. So that's probably where I'll leave it for now. When I come back to this feature, or in fact, I'll start another video. The next piece of the puzzle for us here is making it so that users can configure their endpoints. That's one thing. And then there's one other piece, actually triggering the webhooks when models have, behavior that, would trigger one of these webhooks. And so I'll do that. One of those two I'll do next.